and amid the ongoing payment crisis in the NSEL, the Finance Ministry is taking over regulation of commodity futures market, that's the Forward Market Commission, from the Consumers Affairs Ministry. A notification to bring the Commodity Markets Regulator Forward Market Commission under the ambit of Finance Ministry was issued by the government on September 6th. Remember, all the major regulators are under Forward Market Commission, whether it is the pension or the insurance or SEBI as well. And now the Forward Market Commission and the commodity market would also be under the Department of Economic Affairs, that's the Ministry of Finance. The FMC oversees 21 commodity exchanges and all of that would now go under the Finance Ministry there. But let's take a look on how the commodity markets also are faring. You have seen profit taking continuing into that space, and that majorly is happening because of the rupee appreciation. On your screens, the rupee is trading at the highest level in the day-to-day. We are looking at 2-week highs coming in for the currency, and that really is taking all of those commodity calculations slightly on the lower side in the market there. Let's get in then. Biren Vakili is commodity consultant, Paradigm Commodities, and joins us live on the show. Biren, hi, welcome. First of all, what's your sense coming in for the Indian rupee?
Rupee seems on a strong recovery path. I think market has given a big salute to new governor. Recent steps seems to be quite pragmatic and quite dynamic as well. I'm expecting this recovery to stay here, at least till a monetary policy comes around 20 September.
What is the better level that you are watching out for the rupee, Biren? Do you think it's going to 64, perhaps 63 as well soon?
On technically parlance, I think rupee weakness started from 62.20. So this is the precise level I'm waiting for, and I expect to test this level in say a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of weeks, 62.20.
Biren, in the commodity space, what's your sense coming in for the natural gas prices? Because while all the commodities have seen a decline coming in because of rupee appreciation, this is one space that has more or less kept on the higher side.
This is especially a alpha commodity having a negative beta. So when all others are down, natural gas tend to rise. So here I would prefer to be long around 232. Upside objective is 240 to 42, and I would prefer to keep my stop around 227.
Biren, how would you look at the base metal prices? Because while the factory production data from China has been positive, most of the commodities, including this sector, also has seen a decline.
I think nickel seems to be a value buy because of rebar market is bullish in China. Steel market is also bullish. So I am waiting to capture some value in nickel. I would prefer to buy nickel around 880. Stop loss would be 860, a little wider, and upside objective is 920. This is a kind of positional call. One should wait for say at least 1 week.
Let's talk about the agro commodities, Biren. And while the previous week and the week before as well, we saw a strong run-up coming in for this space. The international markets were running up, the rupee was depreciating, and everything worked in favor of the bullishness in the markets. But with the kind of profit-taking that we have seen in mustard, CPO, soybean, soy oil, are you looking at further declines?
Weather is now favorable for almost all crop, and weather threat has been receded greatly. Here I think mustard is a well supplied market, so I would prefer to go short in mustard around 35.50. My stop loss would be 35.90, 36, and downside objective around 34.70.
Biren, how would you look at the other commodities? Because if you look at the pulses prices, those are also declining. The only thing that really seems to be holding up and nearly on an upper circuit has been Guar. How would you look at these agro commodities?
Guar is again trapped in a short squeeze, I think, especially concentrated long position seems to be in October contract if we see the basis structure, but fundamentally scenario is quite different from previous run-up, so I would prefer to stay out in Guar.